Hey guys, what's up? I'm the Electrical Code Coach, and this is the Electricians in Action, where we get together and we talk about the code every day before we go out and fight the good fight. You can catch the EIA every day at 9 a.m. Let's get to it.
All right, today we're going to be taking a look at tamper-resistant receptacles, and whether we love them or hate them, they are here to stay. I really encourage you guys to get into 406.12 and really read all of the places that they're now required. It has expanded greatly in the 2017 and even farther into the 2020. So the thing that I've started doing at my electrical supply house is just letting them know, hey, I don't want any non-tamper-resistant receptacles, because I don't know if you've ever been in the situation where you go to your supply house, you order 3 boxes of receptacles, they send you with 2 TRs and 1 knot on accident, and you trim out 2 bedrooms of a house and have to tear it all out. So there's it's hard enough to install this stuff the first time. We're already so busy as it is to let alone have to go back and tear them all out, either because we didn't know the code or because we didn't pay attention when we got the box of receptacles. And I've had that happen many times. I call them up, lit up, and at the end of the day, it's my fault. I should have looked at them before I installed them. So really encourage you, take a minute today, read 406.12. It tells you everywhere that they're required, and sends you in a couple different areas. And if you've got time, really just read all of 406. What is it, 2 or 3 pages here? You can learn so much about receptacles that you may have never known, and also hammer in some things that you've known so we can get better and shrink the code book. I'm the Electrical Code Coach. Let's go ahead and get to it.
Hey guys, before we jump off, I hope you guys have a great day. If there's anything I can do to help you in life or business, you can email me at electricalcodecoach@gmail.com. Remember, the only way that you lose is if you quit. Let's get out here, fight the good fight today. Let's get to it.